Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. I am here. I've just unpackaged a little part of this box because it took me ages the first time around, so I've come away from it, opened it up. I haven't actually been inside here yet. And what is in this box is a trade whereby I traded my 316 from Edwin Jagger. Oh, look, the dog's in to say hello. Lazy sod, she's getting old now. Oh, my stand's falling over. There we go. So I managed to get it opened. I used my trusty Nathan James knives. There you go, you can see me there. It's all stained. I have used it for citrus fruits and things. Now this is just standard steel. It's not stainless or anything like that. It's just carbon steel. So as you can see, it's all sort of blemished and stuff, but I quite like that about it. Very, very sharp. Very, very sharp knife. Right, let's get this unboxed. So my 316, I used it once. I didn't enjoy it. I should really probably give it a little bit more of a go. But I sent it off to Kevy Shaves to give it a go. He enjoyed using it, ended up buying one, and trying to sell mine was unable to, so I traded it. And what is in here is what I traded it for. Very, very well packaged. You can probably see there already what it is. Just going to get this box out of the way. I love bubble wrap. You can never have too much bubble wrap when you're a wet shaver, or when you're into hobbies just in general. Now, I will say off the bat that I have a sort of newly found like for this type of handle in terms of the colour. It was something I didn't enjoy before. I did purchase a brush which I've just sold that I actually enjoyed, just to try and help pay the bills while I'm off injured. But Simpson's, you can see on the back there, Chubby 2, Best Badger, and as you probably already know what's going to be in here. Come on. There we go. Very, very well. I keep smelling Fougere Gothique for some reason. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm sure that's what I'm smelling anyway. So as you can see, very well packaged. And you can probably see through there anyway that this is the full ivory handle with the 27mm Best Badger knot. Now I can't run this through my fingers right now. God, that's quite chunky, that. I've never held one of these in my hand. This is absolutely impeccably perfect. Sorry, I'm pushing it away over here. There's absolutely no marks that I can see on this handle. It looks absolutely spot on. Very, very dense knot. Oh, it does, it feels really soft as well. Now, I've been assured that this one's not a shedder, but I have had, look at that, there's not even a scratch on the base of that I can see anyway. Just looks phenomenal. It's actually very comfortable. It's got a great weight to it. Very dense knot, 2-band badger. Absolutely stunning. I will be using this today in my shave. Oh, it's not a shedder. Look, there's the first one already. Where is it? Can I get it? Come on. There we go. The joys of being one-handed. But I'll get this all soaked up, get it lathered up, and have a cracking shave. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Beautiful little brush. I haven't actually seen one of these in a long time on YouTube, to be honest. I haven't seen anyone use one of these for a long time. I think Nick Shaves might have been the last one that I've seen, which is a really old video, so I'm looking forward to using this. Simpson's Chubby 2 and Best Badger 27mm knot. I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive.